Lesson 6, Things Around Us. Question number 8, tick the correct options. All living things need food, water, and air. Which of the following does not grow? Chair. Identify the living things you carry in your school bag. Non living things. The difference between plants and animal is animal eat food but plants do not. Growth in an organism means both A and B. The reason why your clothes become short is you have gone big. Movements in animal can be all of these. Identify a stimulus, all of these. The sunflower faces the sun during the daytime. The stimulus is sunlight. Which of these animals does not reproduce by hatching eggs? Man. Match the following. आंसर है केवल A seed in soil grows into a seedling. Scission stalk. The part of grape plant attached to the soil, the upper portion of a grape. Cubs, young one of lions, hatched from eggs, chicks. Fill in the blanks. Living things need food to live. Living things like man breathe oxygen and carbon dioxide to exchange gases. Chair does not refract to light because it is non-living thing. Rats reproduce by producing young ones. A candle does not produce oxygen like a plant. Answer in few words only. Mention the place where living things can found. Living things can found everywhere, like high mountains, deep inside the oceans, or even in the opening of volcanoes. Name two living things that are found in the crevices, insect, reptiles. Which are the things that human being require for survival? Food, water, and air. It is your 12th birthday. Your mother has purchased a set of new clothes this time. Why? Because I have grown bigger in size. Give an example to show that plants respond to stimuli. The flowers of the dandelion plant open up in the morning to respond to sunlight and close in the evening when the light fades. Give reason. A table or a chair is a non-living thing because a table or a chair do not need food, water, or air for their survival. Seeds are living things. Seeds are living things because they contain an embryo which grows into a new plant under the right conditions like water, warmth, and light. Flowers of the dandelion plant open up in the morning in the response to sunlight. Flowers of the dandelion plant open up in the morning in response to sunlight due to the phenomenon of stimuli. Answer each in 5 to 6 sentences. When does respiration take place in plant? Plants during the day intake carbon dioxide and water to make food and give out oxygen. But they respire day and night by taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Mention the reason for taking food by living things and not taking food by non-living things. All living things need food to live. They also need air and water. Without food, air, water, living things will die. Food gives them the material for growth and energy to carry out various life processes. What is stimuli? Give an example. Change in our surrounding that make living being respond to them are called stimuli. For example, when it rains, we run for cover. When it's dark, we switch on the light. When you feel hot, we switch on the fan. Explain excretion in animals with example. Animals pass unwanted food, unwanted water and other salts in the form of urine and sweat and pass out undigested food in the form of feces. Write any five differences between living and non-living things. Living things need food to live. They show growth. They live for a certain time. They produce young of their own kind. They breathe in and out for respiration. Non-living things do not need food to live. They do not grow like living things. They exist for all time. They do not produce young of their own kind. They do not show respiration. Classify the things around us into living and non-living things. Give two examples for each. There are different types of things present around us. Some of these things are living while others are non-living things. The things which need food, water, and air for their survival are called living things. For example, animals and plants. On the other hand, the things which do not need food, water, and air for their survival are called non-living things. For example, a table and all materials in our school bag.